call it out in the street. They call it out in the street. They call it murder. They call it murder. They call it murder. They call it murder. Out in the street. They call it out in the street. They call it murder. They call it murder. They call it murder. They call it.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, back again with another video, and today we are talking about the monthly payment on my 2024 BMW M4 Competition xDrive. So this car is like the top of the line for BMWs. Before I get into the monthly payment, or after I do the monthly payment, because I'm gonna get right down to it, I'm not gonna waste any time, but after that I'll do a little walk around in the car, show you guys the car a little bit, show you some of the features of the car and why it costs how much it costs. But on my channel, I am known for sharing information on the costs related to owning certain cars. My biggest video ever on my channel was a monthly payment video I did on my my 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo way back in the day. So I've been doing monthly payment videos on all my cars, and this is my latest addition to the collection. So let's get right down into it on the monthly payment on my 2024 BMW M4 Competition. All right, so what is the monthly payment? And we'll get into what makes up the payment as well, so just stay tuned. The monthly payment though on this car is $2,052.49. So just over $2,050 per month is the monthly payment on a brand new 2024 BMW M4 Competition xDrive. Now, what makes up that monthly payment? And this is where we get into sort of the nitty gritty. So if you're interested in getting a car like this, either now or in the future, this is what you gotta be concerned with, and this is what makes up that monthly payment. So the biggest thing that makes up that monthly payment is how much the car costs, like how much you're paying for the car and how much you finance. So in this case, let me tell you how much I paid for my 2024 BMW M4 Competition. I paid, I got two things here. I got my bill. This is my financial statement. This is my BMW bill. And I also have my finance agreement. So this is the numbers that I'm looking at from my financing contract. So the amount that the car cost was $109,000. It's a little bit more than that. The amount that I financed was $105,000 and $105,155 is the exact amount that I financed. And the other thing that makes up that monthly payment is how long of a loan that you have, so basically how many years, and also the interest rate. So I financed this vehicle for, and some of you probably wondering how come I don't know the numbers by heart. It's because usually when I finance a vehicle, it's really a short-term deal for me, because I usually pay the car off within a month or two after I finance it. Sometimes I finance the car just out of convenience. So when you do things like that, make sure whatever loan you go with, never have a prepayment penalty on your auto loan, no matter what. Never get a loan with a prepayment penalty, because that's basically the bank just getting over on you and making sure that they make interest off of you. So in this case, I financed it with BMW Financial. Like I said, the important thing is the term of the loan, the amount of the loan, and the interest rate. So the term for this loan is 60 months or 5 years, which is a very standard loan term for an auto loan. The funny thing is, if I went and paid that payment for the full 60 months, I would be paying $17,000, almost $18,000 in interest over that 60 months. So you don't want to be a dummy and pay all of that interest. So when you finance a car that's expensive like this, you want to pay it off early, one way or another, right? So in my case, I'll probably determine what I'm going to do within the next 6 months. So I'll pay probably 6 months of interest on the loan. Now, the other thing that you want to be concerned about, which is really going crazy right now, is interest rates. So the interest rate that I paid on my loan is 6.29% for a car loan, which is really high, especially considering I have almost an 800 credit score. I have a 797 credit score, which is top tier credit. And the best interest rate I could get was 6.29%, which is really high. Like a few years ago, you could get an interest rate like in the 2%, 3% for a car loan, which is really good. So that actually, the higher the interest rate, of course, the higher your payment is going to be. So you really want to pay attention to the interest rate when you're getting a car loan. All right. So these are just some little hints and tips, things I like to share when I share like the experience of owning or purchasing a new car. So in this case, now you know how much it costs to buy a BMW M4 Competition xDrive, fully loaded. So let me do a little walk around and show you the inside and outside of the car, so you know what options and things made up that $105,000 or $109,000 price tag. So let's get into that. All right, so let's talk about the what made this car cost $109,000. So the actual ticket price on this car was a little bit less than that, but there's some things that I got at the dealership that brought the price up just a little bit. So one of those things was I got a clear bra on the front of the car that costs like the PPF and everything on the front cost like $2,500. The other thing that was rolled into the price of the car was the installation of the wheels, which are aftermarket wheels that I got from BC Forged. I'll put a link in the description to Vivid Racing where you can buy these wheels. The other thing I got that was built into the price of this car was window tint. That was a little bit additional. That's about $600 or $700. I also got like one of the dealer packages to like protect the paint and protect the interior. So that costs a little bit more as well on top of the purchase price of the car. But the actual like sticker price of the car without those options is somewhere right around $104,000. Now, if you wanted to get a brand new 2024 BMW M4, the starting price is somewhere around like high 70,000s and can go all the way up to over 100K. So the reason why this one costs at that higher end is because I got like pretty much all of the options that you can get. So let's start from the front of the car. As you can see right here, I have adaptive cruise control. So that's a pretty expensive option. I have the laser headlights. That is a costly option. I have full carbon fiber on the inside and out. So like you can see the carbon fiber intakes. The lip there at the bottom, that is aftermarket carbon fiber from Beamer Plug. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in carbon fiber parts and mods for your M4. I'll put a link to Beamer Plug in the description. But I got the lights, I got the all carbon package, which the carbon includes the mirrors, it includes the whole carbon fiber roof, it includes the rear diffuser, which is carbon as well. So that, you know, all of that carbon stuff made the price go up. The carbon fiber on the little tail lip here. Also, xDrive makes the price go up from that base price, because if you get a base BMW M4 Competition, it's going to be rear wheel drive. So to add xDrive, that's going to make the price go up as well. As far as options, let's see, what other options did I get that made the price go up? Those are the big ones. I got the upgraded leather interior, like I think it's called merino leather or something like that. I got sandstone. Hopefully I'm saying that. I always forget the name. I want to call Silverstone. My bad. It's not sandstone. Silverstone interior. That was an upgrade. What else did I get? Man, pretty much every option you can get. There was like one option I think I didn't check the box on, but yeah, I got this thing pretty much loaded. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting a BMW M4 Competition. Check out the review that I've done on this car. The next thing I'm going to do is a how to drive video. Oh, another option on the car was the red brakes. That was an upgrade. Make sure I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, check the review that I did on this car if you're interested in maybe getting one of these. Highly recommend this platform. The car is silly fast, very fun to drive. I've been thoroughly enjoying it. One thing that's irking me though is I have a 20-inch rim in the back and a 19 in the front, and that's how they come in from the factory. But that bigger tire in the front is irking me, so I ordered a new wheel, 20-inch wheel for the front with a smaller profile tire to match the rear. But yeah, so these are the things that make up that price tag and monthly payment on a BMW M4 Competition. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a question or drop me those questions in the chat, or drop me that comment in the chat with your questions. I'd be happy to answer. Just a little bit cold out here, so I'm going to end this video. But hopefully you found this informative, and if you're enjoying the M4 content, let me know, and let me know what you'd like to see next. I also have a 2023 Audi RS3, so I can make content with this. I have a 2023 Lamborghini Huracan Evo, so I've been trying to make some content with that. So big plans with this over the winter. Stay tuned. This is going to be a major project. And we have the trusty 2023 Ferrari F8 Tributo. So if you like car content and you want to see more, stay tuned. Drop a like and subscribe. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Peace.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Wheel Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now, and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Wheel Motivation and support Wheel. I'm supporting them. You do the same.
Hey, this is Will Motivation, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget, we have much more videos to come and much more videos available for free on my YouTube channel here. Also, if you're ready for a more in-depth look into investing in real estate and how to make money investing in real estate, I actually launched an online real estate course thanks to a lot of you guys who recommended and asked for me to create an online course, and I've done that. So I took all of my time, my free time last year, and worked on this course and put my all into it, and I think it came out pretty awesome. So if you're interested in taking that course or supporting what I do here on my channel, I have a discount code and a link where you can click on it. Just go to willmotivation.com/invest, and that will take you to the discounted access to my online course. If you're not ready to take the online course and you just want to soak up all of this free knowledge, feel free to do that. I'm going to keep pumping out videos and trying to share knowledge on investing in real estate and have some fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wanted to say thank you, and please subscribe. Take care.